Hey guys, Christian here from reviewsandcoffee.com. Just wanted to talk to you about one of the ways our family saves money and makes less trips to the store and just makes our lives a little bit easier. We like to use the Amazon Subscribe and Save. Um, there's thousands and thousands of different products that you can order. They're going to come every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, whatever you need. You can set it up however you want. So we do things like we have a couple of snack boxes that we get for the kids that come every month. Has some snacks for the kids in it that they like. There, I subscribe to some Perrier sparkling water. We subscribe to our dog food that we use. I recently added Brita filters to the subscription because I always forget to change those. So when the Brita water filter arrives every month, that's going to be my reminder that it's time to change it. So that's just some things you can do. Let me just go over the site with you here. So this is the Amazon Subscribe and Save page. You can see over here on the left are all the categories that you can shop in. It's baby, grocery, pets, beauty, household, all kinds of different things. You can usually find at least a few things that you would need every month, and you don't have to run to the store. You don't have to remember to go buy them. It's just much easier. So the other thing is you can save money when you do this. If you have up to 5 items in your subscribe and save, if you can get up to 5 items every month coming to your house, you're going to save 15% on most of those. A couple of the smaller, lower dollar items, you might only save 5, but most of the items that we get, we're saving 15% over the normal price, on top of the already reduced subscribe and save price. So, and on most of the things we're subscribed to, it's really not much of a different price than going to the grocery store to get them. And also we don't have to, go to the store, haul it home, and all of that. Don't have to remember to get it. Just going to come to the house when it's time. So let me show you some of the things that we have in our subscribe and save. I'm just going to click on manage your subscriptions here. And you can see for this month, February, these are the items that we're going to have coming. We have this dishwashing detergent for the dishwasher, a Brita water filter. This is some drink mix that the kids like. I've got some flossers that the kids like coming for their teeth. Some granola bars, Tide Pods. This is the snack box I mentioned. And some Perrier water. So you can see it gives you the price down here. So it's very, very visible as far as what you're going to be paying each month. Now this is the discounted price. This is after the discount. So you can see on the Tide Pods here, these are about $20, $19.99, something like that. After the 15%, it's bringing it down to $16.97. I did check pricing on these at our grocery store, at Walmart, at Target, and they're about $19 to $21. So you are saving some money as well as not having to run to the store, which is great. For the Brita water filters, this is just going to remind me every month when it arrives, it's time to change the filter. So I'm using that both as a way to save a little money as well as just a reminder to myself that it's time to change the filter. So you could also do it on things. I think I've seen air filters for your air conditioning system or furnace, things like that. So let's see, what else can I show you here? If you want to edit an order, it's very easy. You just hover on your item here and click the edit button. You can change the product, like if there's a different size that you would like. You can change how often you get it. This one's coming every 3 months. If you need it right away, if you ran out for some reason, you can click that. If you want to see how many times you've already received it, you can hit delivery history. If you just decide that this isn't an item that you want on subscription anymore, you would just hit cancel subscription here. So that's how to change your orders. If you decide that maybe you already have enough and you just don't need it this time, you just click on this skip button here and it will automatically push that item to the next month. So this is February's items that we have coming. This is items for March. Brita water filter again. This is the dog food that we use. Toilet paper. This is the coffee that my wife likes. So you can see this is our subscriptions over the next 7 or 8 months. So these are items that we're going to be having coming every month or every 3 months in some cases. And we're just going to continue to add to these as we find items that we need every month, or sometimes even just that it's hard to remember. You could add batteries if you go through a lot of batteries. I've been considering adding some light bulbs. We seem to go through quite a few light bulbs at our house. So that's just there's a lot of things you can do with this. If you're interested in starting to use this service, click the link in the description down below the video, and you can find a link that's going to take you right to the subscribe and save page, and help you guys start saving some money and making your life a little bit easier. You don't have to run to the store as much, or if you don't mind going to the store but you just don't want to carry some of this heavy stuff home in your car, in and out of the car, in and out of the store, like the Perrier water, this is a great service. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and click the link down in the description below if you want to check it out. Thank you.